Hello 36 subscribers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are shooting a video on location. My Aunt Jennifer is joining us. Welcome, Jennifer.
I'm a very casual person, I kind of live on sort of like a farm. I don't do a lot of social activities, so I don't need expensive clothes. It's like, why do I need $160 jeans to sit at home and walk the dogs?
Did you ask for anything specific in the Stitch Fix?
No, I didn't. Mostly I hope it's seasonal stuff that I can wear.
Seasonal stuff that you can start wearing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
These are colors that I love. I love like purples and blues and stuff. If anybody sends me anything with like yellows or orange or camel, then like, you gotta be kidding me. But
what's your preferred color palette with dog hair?
My dogs have from very, very light blonde hair to black. So they can ruin any outfit. Yes, I just always have those tape rolls. A lot of them.
All right.
Everywhere. In my car, in my closet, in the kitchen, everywhere.
Is it a full button in the front? No, it's just buttons like the color.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like a pullover.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute, I like it.
I like the color.
Do you consider that a fall dress?
Not really, but good. But this is a positive.
I kind of like that.
Yeah, casual. Black and gray sweater. I like polka dots. Ooh. I like it.
If this was dry clean only, would that deter you from buying it?
Not really. I just throw it in the washer and if it's wet.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what Bridget does to my clothes too.
Okay, this is a shirt with a design thing in the middle.
Good stuff.
Stretchy, yeah. Again, it's black and I have a lot of black, so I don't know if I would need this. Oh, these are pretty good. It says super soft, they're really stretchy. I don't like frayed anything, so these are perfect for me.
She doesn't like the moth hem.
We're inventing new terms, and one of them is the moth hem, and that's when the end of the jean just looks like someone hacked it off.
Yeah, I hate that. I hate that.
The moths got to it.
We are back and Jennifer is wearing the first two pieces from the box. Starting up top, we're looking at the Daniel Rain Breely Caged Front Knit Top, and this is a $48 top.
I don't mind the detailing on top. I was a little worried that there'd be cleavage, but there's not. It's fine.
When you pulled it out, I was like, whatever, but I like it a lot more now that you're wearing it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. On the bottom, she is wearing the Rain Boyfriend jeans.
I love them. I do have some other of this brand. The length is really good. I could wear them rolled up or down. I can sit and bend and I love these pants.
Back with Jennifer modeling the third item from the box. This is the ID23 Pollock One Pocket Henley top in burgundy. It is a $38 top.
I love the color. It might be just slightly big. I would wear white clothes that don't fit me any day of the week, so it's no big deal. Since it is pretty lightweight, if I wanted to throw a t-shirt on underneath, I'm sure it would be fine, plenty warm.
Back with item 4, the Market & Spruce Rodith crew neck cotton sweater in gray.
The fabric's really soft.
It's cute how it has that stripe right there.
Yeah, so you can cuff it.
It looks comfortable, but it still looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just like wearing a athletic sweatshirt or something, but it still probably feels like
it's
wearing.
real soft, real nice.
Jennifer is back modeling the final piece of the box. We have the Wisp Lynette knit dress. Tell us about the dress.
I think it fits nicely. I love the colors. How much is it?
It's $74.
That's really not that bad of a price. In my decision-making processes, I like to get the discount.
If you buy all 5, you get 25% off of everything.
I really think I like it. It's a matter of money.
I think we're gonna see a 5 for 5.
$209.50 for all this?
All of it.
All right, throw his bag away. This girl was right on with color.
Mm-hmm.
Right on with the jeans, right on with the polka dots.
So we have our first 5 for 5. How exciting is that? Everything is an untag it. which is good because Jennifer doesn't have her shipping bags with you. She send anything back anyway, so we're very happy.
I could have figured it out, but
And that's it. Signing off.
for my birthday, I'm getting another dog.
4 dogs?
I'm gonna get a Pomeranian.
She gets 4 dogs.
No.
I've had 13 at once when we had 10 puppies.
Aw.
We had 10 puppies and the 2 adult German Shepherds and the Chihuahua. So we had 13 at once.
Nicole's like, next topic.